Hi, Mark. Well, it's quite an interesting opening. How are you experiencing the opening of ITAMS?
Yeah, it's very nice. Thank you, and thank you also for the invitation and the option to present our company to the industry with our novel technology, where we can basically monitoring the assets in terms of partial discharge, and that allows companies, TSOs, to use their assets longer and more reliable. For us, it's a really good platform.
That's good. It's good to hear. Of course, for us, we at Oros, we consider ourselves a niche operator in the market because we take everything from an asset management perspective. Us being a niche service provider, we thought of Optics11 as being also a niche player with a revolutionary solution. Do you feel that is slowly resonating with the audience?
Yeah, I think the audience is ready for this adoption of more insights into their assets, or more data management, just to make the whole network more reliable. And this platform really emphasizes that point also. And yeah, you can feel it in the vibe here that they're looking for it, and that this is the next step to come.
Could you summarize what is the key differentiator that Optics11 brings to the market, especially for the TSOs?
Yeah, in a very simplistic way expressed is that we have an option to a technology to pinpoint partial discharge up to a location of a small football. And that is the uniqueness. So inside the transformer, we can pinpoint to this location. And this is unique. It helps OEMs to produce faster their equipment. We can identify also the problems in the field when the transformer is out of production. And now we're going into a phase where we have online monitoring of assets, where we continuously monitor different aspects of the assets to predict and to pinpoint where the partial discharge is, so that the TSOs can react on it and make the corrective actions.
Yeah, it's a problem that has been overseen for decades, and of course it becomes a little bit more evident now also with aging assets, especially. So a final question: if you would have a magic wand, toverstaf, what would you within your professional domain? What would it be that you would address with it?
We provide insights and reliability improvements, or the resilience of the assets. This is what we will deliver, and we can do this in a very precise and accurate way that is unseen in the market. So this is the technology that we provide, and that's also the future, I think, for this industry.
Wonderful. Yeah. Thank you for this short interview, and have a good conference.
Thank you.
We'll see each other down there, right?
Yeah, okay. Much appreciated.